Hello, Molly here. Welcome to Say It Skillfully, helping you find the words to create shared reality in a way that's true to yourself. Organizations, big and small, struggle with a high volume of projects they must implement, which keeps growing year after year. It's easy to fall in love with your own project. What's key, though, is others are in love with it so that you have full buy-in for success. My friend and world's champion in project management, Antonio Nieto-Rodriguez, has a tip to help with this. Don't miss the forest for the trees. Case in point, a project lead told him, "This project is a new mobile app, and here's how it works." Danger, danger! Management is likely to hear a bunch of tech speak, dive into details, and balk at the expense. Rather, Antonio suggested the lead put herself in the shoes of both client and management and tell a compelling story. Something like, over the past 18 months, clients have steadily left us for newer digital banks. We're viewed as outdated, old school. With this project, clients benefit by interfacing with us through a mobile app, the way they expect to. Our study indicates we'll improve retention and satisfaction X%, targeting a bottom line benefit of Y by Z date. Awesome. You stated a clear why that's a driver for change, which got senior management's attention and then strengthened your project team's engagement. You showed understanding of both client and company careabouts. Nice. Give it a try. Please be part of the solution and kindly share this, encouraging others to say it skillfully too. Thank you.